Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I just wanted to shoot a quick video because someone asked me like what software tools do you use for your business? So what should I go for? So I'm just gonna shoot a quick video like what all tools I use for my business. So before I actually talk about, like, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button. And talking about today's topic, like simply like I only use like two softwares majorly. One is Clickfunnels to build sales funnel for my business, and another one is like I used to use Getresponse all the time. So I'm just started to testing out for ActiveCompaign for my email automation software. So these two are the major softwares that I use. And talking about like what all do I buy like online for my business is like I buy domains from Namecheap, and I set up my business email from Google G Suite. So this is it. Like, I don't use many crazy softwares, like, because for everything like there are separate softwares that you can use. This is a simple like small budget software expenditure that I use on my business. So simply Clickfunnels, because I have been using Clickfunnels for a couple of years, and my experience it's a very simple tool, and I know there are a lot of competitors to it. But I haven't really used them, so I don't know about them. Like, Clickfunnels is a very simple tool where you can go ahead and start building your sales funnel within it. The really cool thing I like about Clickfunnels is share funnel feature, because I use this feature a lot. Because if you want to import someone else's funnel, all they can do is they can just share their link with you, and you can just import entire funnel to your account. And the same goes with, like, if I want to share with someone, like, I can do that same way. And why I Clickfunnels is because they also have this cool feature of Clickfunnels affiliate program, where they will pay you up to 40% commission for every referral commission. So that's a recurring commission program. So I was personally using Clickfunnels, so why not like promote it? So it's a very best affiliate program as well. And when it comes to Getresponse I really like, because I started with Aweber. Basically for a month or two I used Aweber, but I started liking more Getresponse. Both are kind of similar, like not much difference. And Getresponse, I have used it for almost a year now, but everyone started talking about ActiveCompaign because the kind of automation. Because the reason I started with ActiveCompaign is because they also started this cool feature, like if somebody has a automation, email automation they have set up in their account, they can just share their link with me, and I can import that entire automation with me, or I can share my automation with everybody. So this is the real cool automation I found, and there are a lot of options in ActiveCompaign I still need to explore. And I had some issues with ActiveCompaign and Clickfunnels, so again I took a break from ActiveCompaign, but again I'm still learning, and I'm thinking. And this is it. Like, I don't use much fancy things. Like, I even if I don't have a course to launch on Kajabi or any other software. So this is a simple video I just wanted to shoot. And if you need to use, I highly recommend you use Clickfunnels ActiveCompaign for your business. This is all you need, because Clickfunnels comes up with a $297 plan, but I don't feel like that is worth that price if you are not using the email automation. You can just get ActiveCompaign just for $9 per month, and you can use Clickfunnels for $97. So that's all you need in order to grow your business. And even you don't need to go to Namecheap to buy a domain, you can get it in Clickfunnels itself. But I just feel like I just want to keep the things separate in a proper way, so I use Namecheap. And if you want to buy any of these softwares, like, I highly recommend them using the link in the description, because I'm gonna give you some of the amazing bonuses that can actually help you build your business at a much faster pace. You can check the description where you're gonna see all the bonuses that you're gonna get with this once you buy this software, and how you can connect with me to get those bonuses. Everything I'll leave in the description, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you. This was a very short video. Thank you.